Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about the CapCut application, and I would like to show you the way how you get a fast motions for your video clip. So open your CapCut right away, and you just need to add the video that you want to add or edit to be a fast motions. Wait until it's perfectly open, and here we go. Just open the video, or you can also insert the video from your media by click the new project, and let's check the video clip first. So this is how the video clip is running, and here let's just do the fast motion. You just need to go click the clip, and then you just need to go take a look on this page. There will be two options. Either you want to click the normal one, means that the speed will be the same from the beginning to the end of the clip that you choose, or you can also click curve that you can control the duration or the speed into every second of the clip. Let's do the curve first. Go click custom twice, and then if you want to have a fast motions, make sure that this dot is positioning into the upper side. So you just need to drag it into the upper side, so then those video will gonna be move faster. And if you drag it into the down side, so the video will down slower. Exactly that way. You just need to adjust in the point when you want to make the video slower. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and now you're done. So that is the way how you can get the fast motions for your video clip. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.